Oh hey, this is my laptop and this is my phone. I have the display of my laptop mirrored to my phone, and not only that, I can control my laptop with my phone. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do this, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to install Space Desk on our Android phone. So if you go back to your Google Play Store app and search Space Desk, you're going to find the application looking like this. Install it. You're now going to go back to our laptop to download the software version of Space Desk. So once you're on your favorite browser, just go ahead and type in this link right here you see on your screen right now, spacedesk.net. So you're going to type it in and it should bring you to this web page where you're going to find this big bold green download button here. Go ahead and click on it and you should be scrolled down automatically to a part of this same page right at the bottom where you can find the list of download options for Windows. So I don't know about Mac here, but you can go ahead and download your version of Windows. So mine is Windows 10 64. So go ahead and click on any one of your choice. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my Windows 10 64. It's just 6.6 MB, so it's pretty small. So I'm just going to go ahead and cancel this because I already have one already downloaded on my PC. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize my desktop and locate my download file here. So this is my setup here. This one is what we are looking for. This is what we just downloaded. So we're going to go ahead and install it. It's pretty easy to install. So I'm going to go ahead and not do this for the sake of the length of this video. So guys, once we're sure that we're done downloading the application on both devices, that is your phone and on your laptop, as you can see, mine is already running on my system while I have my own installed on my phone. So first thing we need to do is to create a hotspot on this device. Make sure it's connected, because right here on my PC I have mine connected to my Infinix right here, so it's connected. Then make sure it's connected before you launch the app on your phone. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and launch my Space Desk, the Space Desk on my phone. So this is how it should look like on my phone. I'm sure you should see my phone somewhere on my screen and my PC somewhere here. So once you launch the app the first time, I'm going to show you this message. Go ahead and click on this check and OK. Then it says connection to Windows 10, which is my PC. So that was why I said the first thing we need to do was to create the hotspot, so that it's going to automatically scan and find your device, your laptop device here on your phone already. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on my connection right here and connection display connected. So right here guys, you can see that I can control my PC from my phone. You can basically control your PC with your phone once you're connected with this method. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, go do it, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to this channel, and turn on the notification bell icons if you want to be updated when I upload a new video. And without further ado, I will see you on Monday. Bye.